Hey everyone, this is Karan back with another video. Today I'm going to unbox something really special to me. Some of you may know that I'm a huge Seiko nerd, and I used to have over 75 Seiko watches at one point, but then I kind of sold a lot of them and I'm now down to a manageable number of about 30. But then there's no such thing as too many Seiko watches, right? So I got a nice Seiko watch for myself. I'm going to show you what's inside. So let's see, this is the worldwide guarantee instructions and with the warranty card inside. With this is the manual for the movement. With the manual caliber mentioned here, 6R35, a lot of you may realize this is one of the latest releases by Seiko. A nice Seiko presentation box there, quite different from the ones that we get from products from the United States and Japan. So let's open that and see what we have there. We have a nice Seiko diver of this is called the Sumo. I'll explain that in just a second. Right, so this is the all black series Sumo limited edition of 7,000 pieces, and so the edition number that I have is 690069. Make of that what you will. Why is it called the Sumo? Is because of a rounded thick construction, whereas it has comparatively narrow lugs. So, I mean, there's no logic behind these nicknames that the community gives to modern Seiko divers. But yeah, so this also marks the first Sumo watch in my collection. I've never had them. I've enjoyed them. I've tried them and I've liked them, but I never saw a reason to get one until now. So that was the first reason, Sumo watch in my collection. The other reason is that I used to have the all black series Turtle that was released in 2018, and I foolishly sold it in that consolidation drive I mentioned previously. So I always wanted a Black Series Seiko watch again in my collection. So yeah, look at that, guys. New hands as compared to the older Seiko generation, older Sumo generation, sorry. And I'm going to enjoy this watch. I'm going to post a lot of shots of this on Instagram. So follow me on Instagram, follow me on YouTube. Please give me a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.